Hello everyone, welcome back. And in the next topic, we are going to see declaring JavaScript variables in the series of basic JavaScript. In computer science, data is anything that is meaningful to the computer. JavaScript provides 8 different data types, which are undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, big int, number, and object. For example, computers distinguish between numbers such as number 12 and strings such as 12 within double quotes or dog or in double quotes 1 2 3 space cats, which are collection of characters. Computers can perform mathematical operation on number but not on a string. Variables allow computer to store and manipulate data in dynamic fashion. They do this by using a label to point the data rather than using the data itself. Any of the 8 data types may be stored in a variable. Variables are similar to the x and y variables you use in the mathematics, which means they are a simple name to represent the data we want to refer to. Computer variables differ from mathematical variables in that they can store different values at different times. So, a variable can be used to store some data, and at different time it can also hold different type of data or different value. We tell JavaScript to create or declare a variable by putting the keyword where in front of it, like so, where our name creates a variable called our name. In JavaScript, we int statements with semicolon. Variable's name can be made up of number, letter, and dollar or underscore, but may not contain spaces or start with a number. Use the where keyword to create a variable called my name. Look, so where my name and semicolon. Look at our name example above if you are stuck. So I don't get stuck in here. So let's see the test case. You should declare my name with where keyword ending with a semicolon. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.